Welcome to the YouTube channel, day 67. This was the events that occurred on the 5th of November, 2022. So on the 5th of November, I went to the office, did some ACA sales. Then I worked a little bit on the Remote Wellness Academy. I did some book buying. I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs. I helped my wife with a dead battery that she had, and helped with the jump starting the car, and then we went to AutoZone. And fortunately for us, the battery that we purchased to the day died because it was a 3-year warranty, and it died exactly 3 years ago on that day. So the man said that if we had waited till the next day, the warranty would no longer be in effect. But today was the day that we went to get, to go in and have them check the battery and have them replace it. We were good to go with that 3-year warranty. So what incredible good luck, good fortune. It's never good fortune that a battery dies, but it's good that we didn't have to pay for a new battery because we got it done. The battery died on the last day of the warranty. So go figure. So then I got dinner for us. We had Popeyes chicken, bought it for everybody. And then I did 45 minutes on the treadmill. I didn't do the jog. I was doing the exercise later in the evening, so I just walked. I did 45 minutes, but I did not do the jog. And that's not the goal. The goal is just to get on the treadmill. But I did 45 minutes. So that was my day for day 67, 5 November. Like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to hearing from you. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.